Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fundamental Education. Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about some full forms or abbreviations related to education sector which are important for various teaching exams. Friends, এই ভিডিওরে আমি সমস্ত ফুল ফর্ম গুড়িকু চারটি লেভেল ভাগ করিছন্তি যে গুড়িক হলা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল লেভেল, ন্যাশনাল লেভেল, স্টেট লেভেল এন্ড স্কুল লেভেল। ମୁଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବି କିଛି ସଂସ୍ଥା ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ନାଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାହାଫଳରେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍କୁ ବୁଝି ସଲ୍ଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ହେବ ନାହିଁ। ସୋ ଲେଟ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଲେଭେଲ। ଦ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୁଏନ୍। ୟୁଏନ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍, ଯାହାର ଓଡ଼ିଆ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ମିଳିତ ଜାତିସଂଘ। ଦ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୟୁନିସେଫ୍। UNICEF। ୟୁନିସେଫ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଫର୍ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ସ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ସ ଫଣ୍ଡ, ଯାହାକି ପ୍ରଥମେ 1946ରେ ସ୍ଥାପିତ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ ୟୁନାଇଟେଡ୍ ନେସନ୍ସ ଚିଲଡ୍ରେନ୍ସ ଏମର୍ଜେନ୍ସି ଫଣ୍ଡ। The next is UNCRPD. It stands for United Nations Convention on Right of Persons with Disabilities. Next is UNESCO, very important, UNESCO. It stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. जार ओडिया ना होची मिलित राष्ट्र शिक्षा विज्ञान और सांस्कृतिक संस्था। Now come to next one. It is ILO, which stands for International Labour Organization. The next is UNCRC. It is also very important. UNCRC stands for United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child, जार ओडिया ना होची शिशु अधिकार संपर्कित मिलित जातिसंघ घोषणानामा। Now come to national level, जेउथिरु सीटेट रे मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आस्ते। First one is SSA. SSA stands for सर्व शिक्षा अभियान। सर्व शिक्षा अभियान हम समस्त को जणा अछि, जार लोगो एम्ति गुडे पेंसिल ऊपर दुई जण पिला बसिथिबे। Next is DPEP. DPEP stands for District Primary Education Program. The next is NPEGEL. It stands for National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level. जो ब्लॉक मानकरे नारी बा झियो मानकर साक्षरता हार कम थिला सेही सब ब्लॉक मानकरे एही प्रोग्राम लागू करा जायतिला। The next is very known NCF. It stands for National Curriculum Framework. Next is CCE. It stands for Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation, ओडिया रे निरंतर और सामग्रिक मूल्यांकन। Next is NIOS, which stands for National Institute of Open Schooling. Next is NCERT, which stands for National Council of Educational Research and Training. It is very important, जार ओडिया ना होची राष्ट्रीय शैक्षिक गवेषणा और प्रशिक्षण परिषद, जहाँ प्रथमे 1961 रे स्थापन करा जायतिला, जार काम होची विद्यालय संपर्कित समस्त गवेषणा कार्य करिबा। एछडा हे टीचर मानन को मध्यम ट्रेनिंग दिए। नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट वन, NCTE, which stands for National Council for Teacher Education, जार ओडिया ना होची शिक्षक शिक्षार राष्ट्रीय परिषद। NCTE और NCERT दुई जन जाक ऑटोनोमस बॉडी। नेक्स्ट ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Next is very important, RCFCE. It stands for Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education. यह ओडिशा रे 2009 मसीह लागू हो सारिलानी। The next is NUEPA, which stands for National University of Educational Planning and Administration. It is also a autonomous body. Next is AIPTF, which stands for All India Primary Teachers Federation, ओडिया रे सर्वभारतीय प्राथमिक शिक्षक संघ। लाइक दैट द नेक्स्ट वन इज AISTF, which stands for All India Secondary Teachers Federation, ओडिया रे सर्वभारतीय माध्यमिक शिक्षक संघ। नेक्स्ट MHRD stands for Ministry of Human Resource Development. Then NCPCR, which stands for National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, ओडिया रे जातीय शिशु सुरक्षा अधिकार आयोग। नाउ कम टू द स्टेट लेवल। द फर्स्ट वन इज DTE and SCERT, which stands for Directorate of Teacher Education and State Council of Educational Research and Training। यह प्रथमे 1964 रे SIE अर्थात स्टेट इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन नाम रे स्थापित होइतिला। पर 1978 रे यह को SCERT नाम रे नामित करा गला एवं 1990 रे यह DTE and SCERT नाम रे नामित होइछि। नेशनल लेवल ले जेमिति NCERT, स्टेट लेवल ले सेमिति SCERT, इट इज आल्सो ए ऑटोनोमस बॉडी। Then OPEPA, which stands for Odisha Primary Education Program Authority, जहाँ 1996 रे स्थापित होइतिला। यह एक स्थायी अनुष्ठान नुहे। देन DIET, which stands for District Institute of Education and Training, जहाँ ओडिया रे जिला शिक्षा और प्रशिक्षण प्रतिष्ठान, which provides training for pre-service and in-service teachers. Next is DLED, which stands for Diploma in Elementary Education. The next is B.Ed, which stands for Bachelor in Education. Next one is DPO, stands for district project office जहाँ प्रति जिल्ला रे जिला प्रकल्प कार्यालय नाम रे रही. The next one is BEO which stands for block educational officer, then DEO district educational officer, then OTET which stands for Odisha teachers eligibility test, then BRCC which stands for block resource center coordinator ओडिया रे block साधन केंद्र संयोजक, then CRCC cluster resource center coordinator जहाँ ओडिया रे cluster साधन केंद्र संयोजक. Now come to some school level abbreviations. First one is SDP stands for school development plan. Now come to the next one. SBA stands for school based activity अर्थात विद्यालय आधारित कार्य. Then WBA work based activity. Then PTA stands for parent teacher association. Then MTA stands for mother teacher association. Now come to the next. SMC stands for school management committee. Then VEC stands for village education committee. It's the end of the video. आशा करुछि सीटेट एग्जाम पई वीडियोटी हेल्पफुल हेबो. वीडियोटी को अन्य स्टूडेंट मानक सह शेयर करंतु. एही वीडियो रो पीडीएफ पई सर्च करंतु हमर टेलीग्राम चैनल फंडामेंटल एजुकेशन. See you on the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep shining.